He doesn't wear those because his bike's loud. He wears them because my bike's loud. Nah, I don't think that's true. My bike's not loud. See? Told you. Hello, coffee fans. Welcome to my channel. Alright, we're going to go check out a coffee shop in Bowling Green, Ohio called Grounds for Thought. Well, that's something I've always wanted to do. Now I've done it. Check that off the list. Some of these big looping corners you got to treat like two corners, basically, like on a racetrack. I never remember to get that plate off the back. Grounds for Thought Coffee. It's takeout only, but that means we can go in to get it, so we'll get to see the inside of their shop. I'm sure we can find a place to sit around outside, even if it's on the bikes while I drink my coffee. I would say we, but I'm with Rob. Cousin Rob don't drink coffee. Why? I don't know. I mean, it's lunacy, really. You just don't know. I can't comprehend. Hey, to each their own. And his isn't coffee. He says his problem with it is it's got water in it. You don't taste the water if you drink coffee like I like it. Bowling Green, Ohio. That's where we be. See if we can figure out where this coffee shop is at. That sun is burning up my leg. don't know where it's at. I'm gonna pull up there. Do you mind if I take some pictures, video?
No, that's fine.
Okay, thank you. This place goes forever, man. For you though that like the comics, there you go. I don't think they call them comics. What do they call them? Graphic novels. Graphic novels. So sorry. For you vinyl fans, a little bit of something for everybody in this shop. That's pretty cool. Now for you youngins, these are DVDs. They have something to do with TV, I don't know, movies or something. Oh, I am recording. Hello. Hey. This place just keeps going. That's a cool clock. There's stuff everywhere. And it just keeps going. Like where we came in is on the other side. So cool. That's a lot of books. Alright. As we sat here, we decided that we want a picture by this mural, even if the sun is off of it now. A key would be helpful. I'm not even sure where that went. Get us a picture and then I'll give you a review of the ground for thought. Grounds for thought. Told him just a twist of the wrist, that's all it takes to get over here. Alright, Grounds for Thought Coffee. That's a cool shop, man. I loved it. I had an espresso. Pretty good. I just didn't feel like drinking a latte or any of that today. And I didn't want to take time for a full coffee or anything. Kind of pushed for time now because I want to get back to where it's cool. That's my excuse. He's got a family to go back to. My wife is off doing her own thing today. But yeah, that inside was cool, especially if you like books, movies. There's a few movies in there. Had a bunch of vinyl. There's also a vinyl shop up the street. Finders? I think Finders is still there. They had tons of, well, not tons. They had lots of cool pastries in there. Cheesecakes, cakes, they had ice cream. A nice little all-around pastry shop and coffee shop. They all seem friendly and nice and knowledgeable. That's a good thing in a coffee shop. And I told Cousin Rob, I'd get lost for hours in there reading books. You'd never see me. That's as nice as a small library in there. And it just keeps like going on and on. Thought I had seen it. I hadn't seen it all. Stay safe, keep 2 wheels down, drink good coffee. Catch you on the next video.